Hi, and welcome to my website about water awareness and conservation. My name is Tara, and I've created this blog as a resource for teachers and students for Year 4 Science and Humanities and Social Science within the Australian curriculum. The content in this project focuses on water conservation, looking at the importance of water, community and global water, water pollution and prevention. Included in this website, on the content overview page, is a full outlined rationale, a list of learning outcomes and curriculum outcomes that students are required to achieve on completion of this project. The project content page is a step-by-step guide so that students are able to easily navigate each step and complete the tasks laid out. It also contains information for the teacher so they can easily implement this project in the classroom. You will also find links to resources to help scaffold the students learning about the topic. There is also some recommended questions to help the teacher guide the conversation and class discussion. The end product page provides students with a step-by-step instruction on how to complete the end product. It provides resources to help the students complete the digital side of the end product, and also provides like an example tutorial of what the students are expected to create. So to learn more about myself, head over to the About Me page where you can find a little bit more about what I'm about. Also included in my page is my contact email. So why implement this project? Conservation and awareness of water is an extremely important topic for students to learn. As we all know, water scarcity is a real-world issue, and the project will help introduce young students to the importance of water and get them to start thinking about what they can do on their own personal level to help, conserve water. Students will be completing 2 tasks. The first task is creating an independent informative digital poster. So throughout each lesson, they will be required to add information, new information that they have gathered throughout that lesson, and then add it to their poster at the end of each session. The second project is creating a DIY activated carbon water filter. They will be required to record the process of making the filter, and then they will then be required to upload the video, edit the video first, and then upload it onto YouTube, where they can then share what they've learned with their peers, the school, the community. Also included in this video is their informative digital poster. So somewhere in the video they have to put in this poster that they have made along the different lessons. This project encourages students to engage with different forms of technology. Students will complete online activities and also create an end product with raw materials. Both these elements support the maker movement, as students will use technology to help them create and make a water filter. More information on this project can be found in my overview page. It's got all the links to the meaningful learning, the task description, and other little bits and pieces. Well, thank you for viewing my website. I put a lot of work into it, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope it gets implemented in classrooms to help teach students about the importance of water conservation. Thank you.